In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bucket in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to organize projects, tasks, or team workflows, buckets are a simple but very useful way to keep everything structured. You can think of buckets like categories or columns that help separate tasks by stage, topic, team, or priority. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create one inside an existing plan. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the main area where your plans are listed. From there, click on My Plans. This section shows the plans you've created recently or the ones you're currently working in. If you have several plans, take a moment to identify the correct one before opening it, especially if you manage multiple projects at the same time. Once you're in My Plans, click your plan to open it. This will take you into the board view of that specific plan, where your tasks and existing buckets are displayed. The board view is usually the easiest place to manage workflow because everything is laid out visually in columns. After the plan opens, look for the option labeled Add a New Bucket. This is the control you'll use to create another column in your planner board. Click on to Add a New Bucket to activate the name field. If you don't immediately notice it, scan across the board area where your current buckets appear, because that option is typically placed alongside the existing columns. Now type the bucket name and press Enter. As soon as you do that, the new bucket will be created and added to your plan. Try to use a clear and specific name so it's easy to understand later. For example, many people name buckets based on workflow stages, such as to do, in progress, or completed, while others use categories that match departments, deliverables, or task types. The best naming approach depends on how you want to organize your work. That's all it takes to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner. Once the bucket appears, you can start moving tasks into it or create new tasks directly inside that bucket to keep your plan organized. Keeping your buckets clearly named can make your board much easier to manage, especially when collaborating with others or tracking progress over time. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner.